Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on the 2013 Kia Soul lower control arms. But before we get to that, I wanted to let you guys know I'm giving away a blue driver. This is it right here, brand new in the packaging. If you want to win this, go check out the giveaway video and follow the instructions. All you need to do is be subscribed, like the video, and comment your Instagram handle, and that's it. A lot of people haven't been doing it, but if you're really interested in winning this brand new blue driver, that's all you got to do. No money involved. But that's enough talking. Let's get to the video. Alright guys, the first thing you're going to need to do is take the tire off. You're going to need a 21mm socket. I'm going to use the impact gun. I'll set you guys up and show you guys that process. So let's get to it. Alright guys, for the knuckle part that's connected to the knuckle and the lower control arm, to get the lower control arm disconnected from the knuckle, you're going to need a 14mm for both sides. This side and this side. So I'm going to get to doing that. I'll try to set you guys up so you can see it. So I'll be right back once I get this off. Alright guys, for the rear, I would say right side, if I'm not mistaken, rear right side of the lower control arm, you're going to have a nut up here and the bolt head down here. You're going to need a 19 for both of them. So you're going to need to hold this while you loosen this from this side on the bottom. I'll show you guys that really fast. Right here. So 19, and then it's a 19 up there right here. And for the left rear, it's just that singular bolt, and that's going to be a 17mm. This is the 17 I'm using, and the 19 and the other 19. So I'm going to get to removing both of those really quick, and I'll be right back to you guys. Alright guys, we got that out. I'm gonna try to get it out of there fully now. Alright guys, we got that bolt out, the bolt back there, and we got this bolt out. So now we're gonna get to knocking this loose. As you can see, it's pretty rusted. These are the original control arms, so they might give you some trouble. And for this one, this bolt right here, let's see if you guys can see that. I had to bend this plastic piece out of the way to get to that bolt right there. So that's the only annoying thing about that side, is that bolt. And the bolt 19, both of those are 19s back there. That was pretty annoying just because it was corroded all these bolts you see were corroded on. So I'm gonna get to knocking this loose, and I'll come back to you guys when we're putting the new one in. Alright guys, as you can see, we got it pretty much loose. We just gotta focus on getting it out of that end right there. We got that side loose. This is loose. So now we're gonna yank that out of there, and I'll show you the old one, obviously beat up from having to heat it up because it's corroded, and I'll show you the new one after that. Just to show you guys, this is the old one. The bushings are pretty beat up and tired, even after putting heat to it, or before I should say putting heat to it. They are pretty dry rotted. This is the brand I'm using. I got these from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description for you guys if you want to order these exact parts. They are side specific. So this is the left side. No, this is the, I'm sorry, this is the right side. I don't know why I said that, because obviously we're working on the passenger side. So that's the right side, that's the right side. So I'm going to take this out of the packaging, show you guys this, and then we're going to get to putting it on. Here's the new one, nice and shiny. The bushings look good, not all messed up. Alright, that's enough talking. Let's get to putting this on.
One eternity later.
Oh.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Alright guys, as you can see, we got the new control arm fully in there. So pretty much that's how you get it in there. Don't drop it on yourself like I did, but it's not too hard. I would say if you have the right tools, you can get it done with a little bit of patience. You can do this yourself as long as you have jack stands and something behind the tire to keep yourself safe. You can do this too. So if you think you can, give it a try. Worst comes to worst, hopefully you stop before it gets too much for you. But that's how you do it. Alright guys, that's the end of the video on how to replace your lower control arms on a 2013 Kia Soul. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you thought of the video. Let me know what you thought I could do better. And don't forget about entering the giveaway. There's not many people entering, so if you just do those 3 things, you could be the only one to win. So don't forget to do that. And I appreciate all my new and old subscribers. I really do. We're almost to 1,000, so let's get there this year. That's enough talking, man. Catch you in the next one. Peace.